is double you wearing. Oh, baby, the sound of you, it's better than a harmony. Oh, wow. And I want you off my mind and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. And girl, it don't get no better than you. And for you, I wanna take my time all night, so I can love you in every kind of way. I'ma please you no matter how long it takes. The world can end tomorrow, let's treat this like our last day. Girl, I'ma love you in every kind of way. And girl, I give you all of me when you need it, 'cause I need it. I wanna fall like your favorite season and never get up, stay down forever, babe. No such thing better than this. You're okay. Every kind of way. Kind of way, you, no matter how long that it takes. Tomorrow, let's treat this like the last day. Girl, I'ma love you in every kind of way. I wanna love you, I gotta love you, I wanna love you. Wilber, there ain't gonna love you right.
King Corn beats be killing shit.
Ooh, yeah. Tryna make a mad good fool, boy. Yeah. You gon' need our edges when I lose you, boy. Ratchet, you a tulip, boy. Yeah, mama say I'm trippin', daddy say I'm trippin'. Mouth talking dirty, but my lips so.
Yeah, I'm hyped. I'm hyped because I'm not gonna be coming out like this, like. And this is really basic because if you're like me and you're one of those people, you low-key don't know what you're doing with your makeup, but you can do like the simple stuff, then this is for you, baby. This is for you. I'm gonna squeeze out the little bit that I have in here, and I'm gonna go right here to like clean up where the eyeshadow got.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's Vedo, baby. How you gon' act like I don't rock your world? How you gon' act like I don't love you, girl? How you gon' act like I don't do you better than him? Get you wetter than him. I showed you better than him. Oh, no, no, no. Stop playing with me. I'm highly capable, girl, so don't try me. You know that I've been with it, yeah. All of this shit you talking gon' get you married. Take you to meet my parents. It's apparent you think I'm playing, and you don't hear what I'm saying. So can I come over? Come on over, baby. Come over, come on over. So baby, come over. Come over, come over now, now. Come over right now. Come over. Can I come over? I can pull up on you now. What's the deal? Come over tonight, girl. I got time. So baby, come over. I want you to know how I feel. Come over right now, right now. Baby, come over. I know what you want, baby, don't test me, ooh. I know what to do, I know what to do, Girl, come and catch this vibe. You know you need me, girl, come and see me. I'm not gonna waste your time. Ooh, girl, I bet you don't talk that shit when I see you. I won't be too long. Baby, come over. It's apparent you think I'm playing, and you don't hear what I'm saying. So can I come over? Oh, can I come over, girl? Come over, come on over. So baby, come over, girl. Oh yeah, right now, oh yeah. Can I come over? I can pull up on you now. What's the deal? Come over tonight, girl. I got time. So baby, come over. I want you to know how I feel. Come over right now, right now. Baby, come over.
Alright guys, so I've gotten dressed and everything, and this is the finished product. Like I said, I keep it simple and easy. I love simple and easy. Granted, I'm gonna learn how to do more with my makeup, but for right now, this is what really fits me because I'm not that big into makeup anyways. This look probably takes me about 10 minutes, no more than 15, and honestly that's kind of pushing it. It's just simple and easy, and it's like, you know, if I decide to do my makeup last minute, I know I can do this because it won't take long. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and guys, please comment suggestions for new videos, questions that you have, and I will answer them and see what I can do about the videos. Thanks guys, y'all have a good night.